Hola. No, go ahead. Gracias. Very nice, kind people here. Hola. ¿Cuántos?
350.
50. 600 is how much? Can you write it down?
No, no te entiendo.
I need to learn Spanish. Need to learn a lot of Spanish. This is Torreón, a Mexican city in the northern state of Coahuila, full of culture, people, history, and landscape that hasn't been explored by many yet. In the last video, I went for a hike just outside the city, surrounded by cactus, rocky path, open sky, and surreal mountains to experience peace and stillness. I feel at peace right now. It is just so beautiful here. But today, I'm right in the center of the city, surrounded by historic buildings, markets, people, and pigeons. You want some food? So let's walk around and get a little taste of what it feels to be in the main square. Good afternoon from Torreón, Mexico. My name is Touseef, a Pakistani Canadian who's starting a new life here in Torreón. Expect a lot of videos from here because I'll be living here for many months to come. So right now I'm in Plaza de Armas. It is considered the heart of the city, the main square where a lot of people hang out. So I just wanted to come out and explore this area and see what life looks like on a Saturday afternoon here. You see, that's a beautiful background music for us. That clock sounds beautiful. Yeah, I just wanted to see what life looks like here, so we're gonna walk around and explore this little town. So the square has different sections where people are hanging out. See, there's a little section here. Another section here, so you can sit down here and just enjoy the square. Clearly, right now is a great time for sunbathing because it's really sunny right now, but it's really nice. We have little pigeons right behind us. And a lot of people are sitting around here. And just under here, they have a washroom actually. Look at it. They have washrooms here. So right behind me, there's washrooms right here. So people want to use the washroom, they have an option to use washroom for 3 pesos. Hola.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Are you guys from Torreón?
No.
Where are you guys from?
McAllen, Texas?
Texas. That's awesome. So you guys just visiting family here?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. Nice. You guys like Torreón?
Yes, I was living here.
You were living here? Oh, nice.
I like it so much.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about Torreón is it's not far from Texas, right?
No.
Yeah. So did you drive here?
Yes.
Oh,
Driving.
that's awesome. All you guys are from Texas?
No, ellas son de Reynosa y lo de McAllen.
Reynosa, Tamaulipas.
Oh, you're from Tamaulipas. That's awesome. Yeah, I love Mexico. I love these squares that they have.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, very nice talking to you. Yeah, enjoy your trip. Yeah. Yeah, you as well. Just like that, you come across a lot of travelers and people, and or some people from Texas. They were visiting family here, so that was really cool. Okay, so now we are getting outside of this square. People are selling things. And this is kind of like the shoe cleaners. You see a lot of them in Mexico. Look at this building behind me. Beautiful. I'm just trying to cross the road and go on the other side. And hopefully I can get there in one piece. Okay. Alright. Now we can walk. Look at this. They have a Scotiabank here. Look, man. A Scotiabank right behind me. Right there. There's a Scotiabank here. Hola.
Somos venezolanos y nos robaron en el tren, estamos buscando algo para comer, pues si nos apoya.
¿Pollo? ¿Dónde?
No, que nos apoye, o sea,
Pollo.
ayuda.
Hablo no.
Nos robaron todo. Somos de Venezuela,
You're from Venezuela?
venezolanos. Vamos a Estados Unidos, para el
¿Dónde?
norte, vamos para Estados Unidos.
Oh, norte?
Sí,
Oh.
vamos para allá, pero es que nos robaron todo, todas las
Oh.
pertenencias. Y para que
Ah,
se le hace, nos ayuda.
Tengo muchos problemas en Venezuela.
Sí, muchos problemas. ¿Tú español no?
No, I don't speak Spanish. Soy de Canadá.
¿De Canadá?
Sí.
Ah, yo voy para Canadá.
You want to go to Canada?
A
Sí.
trabajar.
Ben,
Comer.
you want food?
Sí,
Tiene a little bit cash. Is it enough?
gracias.
Yeah. Okay.
Gracias.
Okay, take care.
Take
Yeah.
care.
Peace. Yeah, it took me a long time to understand. Like, I think they were guys from Venezuela, and they were asking for money because they were trying to get food. So since my Spanish is so bad, it takes me a long time to understand. But anyways, I had some cash. I gave them like 20 pesos. I know it's not a lot, but at least it is something, you know. Wow. Look at this. There's a museum behind me. Look at these bad boys behind me. Oh man. Nice artwork actually. Look at this. Wow. Does that mean no touching? Or not, don't step on it? I don't know. So I guess I'm not gonna touch it. Beautiful. So going back to those guys I met from Venezuela, I don't know what they said, but I'll get it translated and I'll put subtitles, you know, so that we all understand what's going on. But either way, I think I understood they were asking for food. Oh, I can't cross the road. Too slow. Can't cross the road right now. Cars are coming. That way. Oh, it's busy over there. Wow, they're selling a lot of things here. I think we should ask someone how much these things are for. Hola. ¿Cuántos? This?
Esa es 320.
¿Tres?
320.
320.
Ajá.
Oh, okay. 320. Okay. Hola. ¿Cuántos?
350.
50?
350. 350.
50. 350. Okay. Okay, gracias. So out of the curiosity, this is for 350 pesos as well. Hola. You. Es
Esa en 600.
600?
600.
600 is how much? Can you write it down?
No te entiendo.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Sí.
How much? No lo sé.
No entiendo.
No, can you type it?
¿Cómo?
Can you type it on your phone?
¿Qué dice Andrea?
Can you just type it?
Ajá.
On the phone, can you type it?
Sí.
2 hours later.
So we figured out the price. This is for 600 pesos. I think that's really expensive for this hoodie. 320 pesos. That's how much it is. When you see the dollar sign, don't think that it's for $320. It's pesos. So 320 pesos. Look at this local bus. There's a barber shop over there. So let's go find out how much they charge for a haircut. Hola. ¿Cuántos para haircut? Hablo.
¿Cuánto el corte, Alexis?
Oh, 100. Sis. So buddy over here charges 100 pesos for a haircut. And let's see how he's doing. ¿Te gusta my beer? Yeah? Gracias. See, he rated. You know, I'm just asking the expert if they like my lineup. I lined up my beard, you know. So he says that I did a good job. What do you guys think about my lineup? Huh? Did I do a good job lining up my beard?
YouTube.
Yeah.
¿Cuál?
And YouTube. It's levels to travel. Adios. Take care. There's so many people here and there's a lot happening. Look. Hola. Another market right over there. So it's not over yet. Well, at this side of the market, there's a lot of people. They're all eating food. Right behind me. Hola. Oh, go ahead. Gracias. So look, really nice people here. You know. He let me walk first. You know, very nice, kind people here. They're selling a lot of clothes here. Nice.
Le preguntas por la prima de Reyes.
Okay, let's go back to the square. I see some fruits there. Alright, let's buy some fruits, I guess. Disculpe. Fruits. ¿Cuántos?
40 y 35.
35. 35. Ok, ok. Sí, 35.
¿Uno?
Uno.
Todo.
Sí, todo.
¿Chile?
Sí. Chile. Here, amigo.
¿Está grabando?
Gracias.
Para el Face.
¿Mm?
Para el Face.
Face?
Para subirlo al Face.
Entiendo. Okay. Okay, gracias. I need to learn Spanish. Need to learn a lot of Spanish because I think a lot of people are trying to talk to me, but I have no idea how to communicate with them. So let's find a seat and eat these fruits. And I got these fruits for 35 pesos. Let's sit by the fountain. Okay. You want some food? You know, this is the most healthiest food that you can get for 35 pesos. It's just like $2 and a change. Wow. Wow, that was beautiful. So if you're Mexican and if you know what this is all about, please let me know. I'm really interested. You know, look at this. I'm new to these tours and new to creating these type of videos where I just show you raw how it feels to be in the city. I think I'm really enjoying this and I hope that you guys are enjoying it as well, and let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next video. God's energy.